YouTube, what's going on? Another day, another stream. Today we're just decorating, and doing some technical stuff. Right? Nothing too much. So I'm gonna go live. What? I'm logged out. Why? Log in. Okay, that's better. Log back in there. Okay, let's get cracking. There. Now, how do we do this? I need to get rid of this dashboard. It hurt my teeth. Okay. Stream manager. I think so. No, it's not. Let's create a dashboard though. How do you edit everything? I don't know. How do I make this better? How do I add a different one? Yeah, but how do I put this up though? I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do any of this. Okay, firstly, before we get into all this, because I don't understand any of this. Let me just design like something around the stream. Would that be better? Maybe. Am I doxing myself with this? Giving anything away? Hopefully no. Each alarm box has its own browser source. Parent display, customize and alert. Alert. Okay. How do you put alert URL on Streamlabs? So you have to get website URL, select alert box. Oh. Oh. Browser source. App source. URL. That makes sense. That makes so much sense. Yeah, so I'll copy this URL. I'll paste it here. Close. So that's for this, for followers. Okay, I think followers on something else. Gifted, no. Hype train. I don't know what hype train is. Goals, no. Followers is fine, but I need to find a different one. How do I find a different one? Oh, it's called alert. All right, custom. Oh yeah, you have to pay for those. How do you get free ones? Okay. I'll go ChatGPT. Where do you get free live streaming of Twitch? You get free Twitch alerts. Oh, there's a Streamlabs alert box. Let me search it out. What kind of color is mine though? Because I have a particular color that I wanted for mine. I think, is it purple? Yeah. Oh yeah, it is purple, isn't it? Because I have purple in my other setup. Where's my? And also my lights. I have lights here that give sort of a purple tone, but I don't have it today. I don't know why. Okay, I'll go with purple. So, where is it? Someone just followed. That's what I want. That one's pink. I saw a purple one. Where's the purple one I saw? Different. So you get it all from here. Okay. I'm gonna pick short by trending most relevant. One has a love heart. Yeah, this is fine. It just shows up. Scenes. Oh my. What the flip? Wait, what just happened? I don't know what just happened. Did I do something wrong? Oh, I did do something wrong. Oh, flip. Yo, okay, are we back? That was kind of weird. Managing collections. What if? What if I do this? 1 second. What if I do this? Because that actually worked, but it's a different type of collection. So what if I do something like? Because if I do, it's gonna load back to this, and you guys are not gonna see anything. So what if I? Can I copy a scene? Because there's no alert boxes. Oh, there is. Okay. I'm gonna copy that. Nice. Then I'm gonna go back to scenes and I'm gonna paste it here. Well, you can't even see what I'm doing because I'm working from here. Now this is way too small. How do I make this fun to watch? Seems quite boring right now. Okay. I have the alert box, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Oh. Okay. Alright, that's what we have to do. Okay, add source. Let me see alert box. Hmm. But can you guys see that though? All right. Let me do that again. Alert box. Okay, we don't need two then. We need just one. All right. Let's see. Let's see that again. All right. So if it's a follow, it's gonna be like this. Make sense? All right. But I downloaded this one. Okay. What I'm gonna do is instead of doing this one, I can download a different one. But that's fine. But do we want it to be that big though? Might need a bit smaller. Let's see if this is fine. Let's try that alert box. Okay, let's go. Nah, it's too small. Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, so that's my alert box. Anything that pops up is gonna pop up there. Now, let's make ourselves a logo. What can a logo be? And you can just to do a logo, you can just iterate with like any AI platform. So I'm gonna use what's it called? Is it Dolly? No, not Dolly. It's a different one. Sora. I always use Sora. Well, not always, but I use it to like create a different one. That's what we made yesterday. Was it yesterday or a couple days ago? It's about jealousy. All right, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What do we want? Okay, so make me. Actually, let's just. What can we do that though? Make me a logo for the name. For the name foreign. Dot. Bread. To make an impact through critical thinking. Let's see that. Let's see what it gives us. How long is it gonna take? I don't know. But while that's making, so this is gonna be our logo, or I guess emblem. We can use this logo to make like an emblem there. Okay, so we need a logo, we need an emblem. We already have our alerts up. I'm gonna delete this one now. Delete. Right. Have everything up already. So we're chilling. Now let me see. Okay, 24%. That's fine. All right. How do I get rid of this? Okay, that's better. Okay. Right. For the name, can you make me an emblem that represents what I do on Twitch? Think to topics. All right, there we go. Let's see how this works. It's purple. This is so dead. This is so dead. Should I draw something? Maybe we should go into this is so dead. What? No. If you put the word think in there, it's gonna have something about a brain and that's so dead. Why the flip is someone going to be looking dead? It looks like it's a brain. It looks disgusting. take out the leave the text, everything else. Leave the text, take out everything else. Let's see. And we'll go to this. We'll say this is too, I guess, too gamer like. 13%. Okay, we already have one of this, so like it's fine. And then if we want to make one, we have to just try and sort of change it. How would I even change this? Let me see. Advanced browser. Curious bit subscription. Okay, closed. That's fine. No, this is not good. Okay. By next week, I need to have a logo created. What? What? I said leave the text. Wait, leave the text. Take out everything else. It's hard to get this. What the what? This makes no sense. This makes absolutely no sense. Okay. Right, let me draw something. Then I'll try see if Sora can just beef it up. Firstly, I need to save this. Save. The point of art in my DSDF. Alright, that's saved. Then we'll just delete this. Okay. What can I draw? First, let me get out of this. Okay, what can I draw here for my logo? So I want it to be foreign. Yo, imagine it does something cool with this. And what would it be? Yo, what if it actually does something cool with this? I'm just gonna take a screenshot on this and say make this into a professional looking logo. Hey, what, Sora? Make this into a proof. On an infrared. All right, let's make that into a professional looking logo. Let's see what to come up with. And I'm going to try and put an image over this to give myself a better banner. Don't know if it's gonna work, but I need to search it up. Okay, how do you make like cool what's it called? It's like cool. What's the thing called for to surround the image? Like you see like this part. What's the thing that surrounds it? That's what I want. Like something here that's kind of cool that kind of surrounds it. How do you make a cool border line your face cam? Edit like this. No, not edit. I don't want to edit. Let's see this.
Here's how to make customized Facecam overlays for live streaming or pre-recorded videos.
It's called FaceTime overlays. Cool. All right. So how do you get customized FaceTime overlays? How do you get customized FaceTime overlays for Streamlabs? Free premium. Moon this that. No, I just need a Facecam overlay. Install. Why do I need to join on try? It says it was free. It said it's free. No, I don't know about this. Don't worry, this is just the first iteration. I'm still gonna standardize it after all of this. Lo-fi theme, carbons. Yeah, oh, sketch would be good. No. Soft. No. Cataclysm sketch, lo-fi. White and black. Oh, let me search something up actually. Let me say like Greek. Or history. Yeah, no, there wouldn't be much for that. The space team would be calm though, I'm not gonna lie. Nah. Nexus. This is all very gamer like though. Yeah. I just want a simple one. I just want a simple one. Simple. face overlay. Let's see back on this. Oh wow. Okay. This is off like a 2 second thing. Could this be it? This is good. But it's not really keeping in the theme. So I don't know. But like I'll do something like this. Uh I'll say this one. Remix. Give it a Greek mythology flair. Right. And then going back to this, what I don't know. This is these are already pre-made. I don't know if I like. I just want a simple one that shows my face. I think I might actually draw this up like a bit, right? And then it's gonna show my face like around it, overlay around. Wait, you can see the thing on Twitch. Like you see this, an overlay around this, right? And then yeah, and then can show like my name there as well. Basically what I want, you know. So we're gonna be like here, or higher a bit, you know. Right. Go back to Sora. It's nearly done. 82%. This I don't. What is this? This doesn't make any sense. That is sick. Yo. Too bad it's just not keeping in theme. But like, look how it can just come up with these. That's like, you know. Hmm. What do we think? Nah, it's not. It's not really keeping in theme. And nope. I don't think it's keeping in theme. Many better designs than this. But all this came from this simple. This thing that I just drew in like 2 seconds. And because of AI, it turned into this. Super high definition though. But that's not what I want. Let's remix the old one, and then keep it more in theme. Because I don't really like the gold and stuff. Okay, I'll remix this again. I'll say. philosophic feel. Mm. Hmm. Foreign. Okay, what else we need? We have our alerts. That's fine. We have all that done. Now let's actually go. Okay, how do I set up things under it? Oh yeah, especially my Discord. I need to put my Discord here. Channel. Flip. Actually, let's create a dashboard. Stream. All right. Yeah, I don't want to dox myself here, but all right. Let me add. All right, Discord. Let me add link to my Discord. First, I need to open Discord. I'm gonna link it. Server settings. Where invites? What happens if you go on the link? You just get an invite, yeah. Oh, makes sense. So let's say I go incog. Where's incognito? Then I paste that link. Okay, that's cool. My Discord is up. What other platforms do I have, or do I need to have? Well, I have YouTube, Discord. I don't know what TikTok. I don't want my face out everywhere. I don't really like TikTok, but I have to do it. You know, I'm trying to do this thing, so I'm going to do it. So what else? Right now, that's kind of all I have. But the Discord and the YouTube is very important, because I need everything that I've sort of done so far. I need it there. I don't. Yeah. This one with the, like, it's too, like, my theme is purple. Right now you can't see it, but normally I'll have like the purple lights. But I don't know. This is it's too much. It's too in your face. I want it more subtle. Let me see if I can say that. Remix. Make it more subtle. There. All right. How else do we need to change this? I don't know. This was terrible. I don't know. Okay. We're also gonna get into sort of planning for next week, because we have to look and see about other different topics. But for now, I think I'm okay with what we have so far. That's okay. Right, I can X out of all of this. No, not flipping Sora. Because I'm still making something. Yeah, it's still making. Right. That what is on Sora? What you see here has just been made from this. So you don't have to design yourself. You can just, I guess. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This isn't bad. This isn't bad. It's like it looks like it's engraved. I actually I really like that. Can I say make it landscape? This is good. It's good. Bold. Make the foreign stick out a bit. Make the STIs out a tiny bit and make the image what is it called? What are the proportions? Sixteen by 9 aspect. Escape. 16:9 aspect ratio. Right. Mm-hmm. All right. I don't think it knows how to make it landscape. So can you crop this image? See if I can crop it. Cancel. This color, no. You can't crop it. Use as my header. Not logo either. Logo concept. Not too bad, no. all from this. Very random. But that's what I pick. Okay. Right, that's all the design stuff we're going to do for today. Now to plan the next week. For next week. It's the 1st of February, so I've done a whole month. Well, not really a whole month because I missed a couple days. If you go into YouTube, I think I have 24 videos. Right, all of this. So that's not a whole month. It should be 31. But at least that's something, right? I did that. Now my job is to make this better. I don't know if I'm gonna ever do this again, like the just primarily designing. Well, I could on a different day. I could, but I don't know if it's interesting enough to just do this. But it's like how I do is like just quick, use whatever tools I'm able to use and just make a concept quickly and just put it there as an idea, right? If I want to do it with my own two hands, then I'll, draw everything out. But I thought it would just be too tedious if I did that on stream because I only have an hour to do it. So it was easiest to just show like a little bit of drawing and then fresh design made. Okay. Right. Actually, no, I need to go back on. Let's go back on there. What do we do for next week? I need to save that as well. Next week. Right. So, firstly, I think as soon as I end stream, I'm going to just look over how the videos were, what happened, what I did, what I've learned, and then how to make the next month better. Right? That's what I'm going to do. So, this is also going up on my YouTube. But I don't really expect people watching. Well, I also need to fix OBS. But I feel like Streamlabs is just... It's been working for me anyway. I'll take those things off. Like the thumbs up thing. You have to just turn off the reactions. Now it's gone. All it took was one click. Oh, wow. Can I use this here? No. Okay. So at least that's gone. Everything is cool. It's fine. Okay. I think the past 5 days was probably the best 5 days for these streams because I genuinely just actually spoke about the different types of topics I wanted to. So if I can keep that consistency, everything will be fine. And to just sort of try to expand my reach. Right? But for Tuesdays, I'm thinking, how am I gonna do it? How am I gonna do Tuesdays? That'll be hard because I have a lot of stuff to do on Tuesdays. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But for the topics for next week, I think we'll do 3 days worth of topics. And then we'll start connecting again. Oh, we might connect tomorrow because tomorrow is Monday. Yeah, so today is the day. Okay, cool. What I'm gonna do is 3 topics and then connecting. What should I do the topics on? For February, what would be my first topic? I don't know. I don't know. I've gone blank again. What's my first topic be? What do I want to know? I think we should start there. What do I want to know? Okay. First of all, what is important? What am I trying to do? What type of topics would help? It's not about people. What do I or people struggle with? Not struggle, but like, what would people care about right now? I don't know. I think I'm getting to that stage. Hold on. I need to change my scene. I think I'm getting to that stage where I'm getting very sort of comfortable. And I'm just not doing like what I need to be doing. You know? In terms of producing the best type of content. The idea is the most important thing. But I think I'm missing the point a little bit. So, let's scrap all this because I can't think of an idea. And tomorrow, I'm just going to try to join 50 Discords that I think 50 Discord people that I think are doing kind of like the same thing that I'm doing. People that I find interesting. So all we're gonna be doing is basically like connecting with streamers, right? Or do I ever want to do that? Topics are much better, bro. We have to make sure we are doing different things in order to, so we're not just staying stagnant. So Maybe there might be a collab in, trying to get a collab again. Part 4. Or part 3. And that'll be it tomorrow. So if I do think of a topic tomorrow, then I'll just stick with that. You know? You know what I want? I want for there to be like loads of things. Not loads of things, but like just like a lot of designs and stuff to just make my stream pop more. That's what I try to do today. You know, like the alerts. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find alerts for the chats as well. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna be working in the background too to get some stuff working and going on. But for now, I'm pretty happy. We were moderately consistent in January. So we just need to keep that trend going. So yeah. What do people care about right now? Ask Google. Health and well-being. Post-COVID. A century ago. 2 years ago. Okay, it just goes depressing. I think is the way I'm framing the question. Everything I talk about is pretty much what I'm interested in, but I can't really think of anything right now, so I'll probably think of it in stream tomorrow. So we'll see. But there will be something. I think the ideas just spin off each other, and some days I might know or be very fast at bringing some up, and other days it might be, you know. But if I'm going to say if I want to know something, it'll probably be like the like the like mist, like demystify, like you know, things that are just not demystified. Like it's things that are just so cloudy that you have to just get it to get it. Those types of like situations. I'm actually gonna write it down. So cloudy situations. Right. So tomorrow we might just be connecting with people. If not, we'll do something in cloudy situations. Anyway, that's me done for today. And peace.